YouTube posts creator's video without credit. Says it forgot YouTube was criticized on Twitter after it posted a Christmas holiday video of a professional domino artist named Lily Hevish without crediting her. People rip off my work every day and it's honestly saddening to see this happen by YouTube itself, Hevish said. YouTube later tweeted, "Our mistake, we forgot to credit Lily Hevish for this video." Quote, "Fake news of Maharashtra High Court banning PUBG goes viral." Fake news of Maharashtra High Court banning game PUBG has gone viral on social media platforms, with a fake legal notice being shared widely. The fake notice, with multiple grammatical errors, claims the game is being banned after many students spoiled their lives over it. PUBG confirmed the notice, claiming a ban on the game is completely fake.